Today on Talk It Out Tuesday, we're going to discuss the importance of digitizing financial records. Scanning your financial paper documents and digitizing your records is essential for ensuring safety, compliance, and long-term retention. Physical documents are highly susceptible to being lost, damaged, or destroyed due to accidents, fires, or natural disasters. By digitizing these records, you protect them from these risks, as digital files can be backed up on cloud storage or external hard drives, ensuring their survival even in the event of unforeseen circumstances. Additionally, digital records can be encrypted and password protected, offering an extra layer of security against theft or unauthorized access. This proactive approach to document safety ensures that your important financial data is always safeguarded, regardless of external factors. Digitizing your financial records also plays a critical role in meeting compliance requirements and streamlining retention processes. Many industries have specific legal requirements for maintaining financial records for a set number of years, and by scanning paper documents, you can more easily track retention schedules. Digital records make it simple to comply with these regulations, as they can be organized, indexed, and quickly retrieved for audits or inspections. Moreover, the process of scanning and digitizing eliminates the risk of overlooking important documents, helping you stay compliant with tax laws and financial reporting standards. Digitized records are also more efficient for long-term retention, allowing you to store vast amounts of information in less physical space while ensuring that your documents remain organized and accessible when needed. For more information, give us a call at 702-222-3590 or visit us online at graphicimaging.net.